food plays a very important role in the preservation of traditions and culture. One of the most important things which the Tibetan community in India holds close to their heart is their food, which connects them to their root. And one such dish is thukpa. Thukpa had its origin in the Amdo region of Tibet, and it started getting popularized in India with the migration of Tibetan refugees since 1959. Growing up in the foothills of Himalayas, I had an intense exposure to Tibetan food, and it has kind of become a home food for me. And every time I miss my home, I miss the hills, I make for myself this bowl of steaming thukpa. So let's learn how to make thukpa. The first step to prepare this dish is to prepare the stock, for which we'll require some chicken on bone, some onion, garlic and ginger. To prepare this dish, we'll require a thick base cooking pot, and I'll add half a tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, I'll add the garlic and the ginger, and also I'll add half an onion. After sauteing these for almost 30 seconds, I'll start adding the chicken. I can also use vegetables out here if you want to make vegetable thukpa. And once the chicken is added, we don't need to saute this for long. You can also skip the entire sauteing process and you can just boil the vegetables along with the chicken. We'll add some salt now and saute the chicken for a minute more, and then finally add the water and let it boil on a medium flame for 40 to 45 minutes. We'll cover the chicken and let it boil, and meanwhile we'll start cutting our vegetables to make the soup of the thukpa. I will shred the cabbage. Cut the onion into slices. We will cut the carrots into juliennes. And I'll finally cut the capsicum into strips. You can also use vegetables like mushrooms, bok choy, beans, anything which is available in your kitchen. Our stock was already boiling for 40 to 45 minutes. We'll remove it from the flame. We'll separate the chicken pieces and cut it into shreds. Now I'm going to make a paste of 2 tomatoes, ½ inch of a ginger, 2 green chilies and few cloves of garlic. Now in a cooking pot or wok, we will add 1 tablespoon of oil, and once the oil is hot, we will add the paste to it. At a low flame, we'll saute the paste for a minute or two till the raw smell of the paste disappears. Now we'll add the vegetables one by one and then saute it for a couple of minutes more. At this point, I will also add my chicken, which I had separated from the chicken stock and I had shredded. Now I'll add some salt to it. I will also add 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce. After sauteing it for a minute more, now we'll add the chicken stock. I'll also add some freshly grounded black pepper. You can also use white pepper or Sichuan pepper. Now we only have to cover the soup and let it simmer for 4 to 5 minutes and it will be ready to serve. Traditionally, thukpa is made with handmade noodles of flour. However, you can boil and use any store-bought noodles. In the icy Tibet, it is a bowl of thukpa that keeps people warm and cozy. Thukpa also have tremendous religious significance in the Tibetan New Year Losar. Hi guys, I hope you all will enjoy thukpa with your friends and family. We upload a new video every Wednesday. So if you like our content, please do like, share and subscribe.